You have got the concept of palpitation. The whole world is vibrating at a frequency. Now try to understand. You are doing the conscious breathing. You are in your conscious breathing, and you are just listening, and you are trying to understand what my point is, right? So the thing is that I say that the whole world is vibrating at a frequency. Everything is moving. Nothing is stable. This means nothing is stable. And when we are practicing yoga, when we are practicing our life, we are trying to tell that try to make yourself stable, try to make yourself stable, stabilize yourself, don't move, don't rush, calm down your monkey mind, settle down, right? That's what we want. That's we are totally up to. Do you think we can ever get stable? Our monkey mind can ever settle down? Or we can literally stabilize our frequency, literally stabilize our vibration, literally stabilize our heartbeat? Never ever, right? When the whole world is vibrating, how can we stabilize ourselves? When the whole universe is vibrating, how can we stabilize ourselves? It's not possible, right? That's where the crux of a human life, that's where the crux of human life is always keep trying to be better, keep trying to improve. There is no destination, there is no success, there is no perfection. Perfection is a myth, perfection can never be achieved. But we still have to do our work and keep trying, right? Perfection is a myth. You are still trying to make your breads every day, trying to make it better and better and better. Conscious practice, right? You're trying to do yoga, trying to make it perfect, trying to make your bridge pose perfect, make it better every single day. And if you are doing the conscious practice, you will realize that you are doing better than yesterday. And the moment you think that, oh, I know it now, I'm doing it now, I'm good with this now, the moment you say this to yourself, you stop your progress. Yeah, because the reality is that we are always learning, we are always growing every single day, every single moment, right? So we are always trying. And if we leave our efforts, because we know that nothing will get stable, there's no perfection, there's no destination, why am I trying, right? The moment you leave all your efforts, everything will start ruining even more. You will be a burden on this planet Earth. On your family, you will be a burden. You will be a burden on yourself, right? So, continuous efforts. And the more effort you will give in, the more effort you will put in, you will be a bliss for your family, you will be a bliss, you will be a blessing for your society. And if you will really do good, something like Bill Gates or Elon Musk or Warren Buffett or anyone, any notable personality, if you can do something good like Modi ji, then you can be a blessing for the whole world, right? It's on your efforts, continuous efforts to do something better and better. So the crux of life boils down to just trying. So keep trying, give in your efforts. There is no destination, there is no success, there's no perfection, just efforts, just the way. So enjoy the way. Yeah, make sense? Active exhalations, ma'am.